Hi, and welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we'll be learning how to import all of our items at once. Most times, we're going to do this when we're switching between accounting softwares. Okay, let's get started. From any screen in ZarMoney, you want to hover over the gear icon, which is our company preferences. Click, and a left sidebar will pop up. We're going to want to scroll down to the Import-Export Data icon and click to expand. Then we want to click on Items. From here, we're going to want to download the CSV sample file so we know how to properly format our file. Okay, this is what the sample file looks like. We're going to want to format our own file in approximately the same way. The columns that you want to ensure you have filled out are item name, item type, and tax type. Okay, once your file is all good, make sure you save it as a CSV. Then we can go back to our import screen in ZarMoney. We're going to choose the file that we just formatted. Click Open, and then click Next to import. Step 2 is mapping the fields in ZarMoney to the columns in your spreadsheet. Once you're satisfied with that, you can scroll down and select the related financial accounts for each item type. Once you're satisfied with this screen, scroll down and click Next. A confirmation screen will pop up just to make sure that what you have input for mapping is accurate. So you're going to want to review that and then click Finish. After you click Finish, you should be able to see your items now in your item list under Items and Services navigation. Okay, that's all for this training session. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.